Today we will take you to Ladkah's most beautiful places. These are Sangam View Point, the world's highest rafting point and magnetic hill. This is Sangam View Point. Zanskar and Indus River meet here and locally known as Sangam Point. Tourists can have a bird's eye view from the Leh-Srinagar highway. After watching this point from the Leh-Srinagar highway, we are moving to the Sangam Point site. Right now we are at the side of the Indus River. These are the close visuals of Sangam's Point. This point is known as the highest river rafting point in the world, which is elevated at 11,600 feet from sea level. Here are close visuals of the world's highest rafting point. It is one of the hot tourist spots near Leh town. For a better experience, we will touch the water of Sangam Point. Here we are shooting some pictures. Now we are moving toward the magnetic hill. According to experts, magnetic hill defies the laws of nature. Read the board carefully. Now we will do an experiment where the neutral car will move uphill. Here you can see the car is moving uphill, defying the laws of gravity. Now we are crossing the magnetic hill. Next, you will see the world's highest located bulk petroleum storage depot.